guys? Today we are going to be doing a sound test for all of my metal balisongs. Two of these are clones. This is a AliExpress really cheap one, and this is like also a cheap one but a little bit better. I will do a collection video, but I have the Thomas Rufault coming, so I'll wait for that and then I will do a collection video. But let's start off with the cheapest one, which is this Madco clone. As you can see, it's horrible quality, but for $2 it's pretty good. I'll put it away. There we go. Okay, so wait, let me turn on my light. There we go. Alright. So that is the Madco clone done. Now let's move on to the next cheapest one, which is this Kraken 2.5 the Kraken 2.5 clone. I don't know. Right? But yeah, that is a Kraken. This is a short video. I just wanted to make it because, yeah. Next up is the Canyon, actually. It's pretty bad. It's not oiled, so that's probably why it's not in the best shape. Then we have the Impulse, which is one of the best sounding ones. I haven't oiled this once since I got it. But yeah, it's the Impulse. Let's put that aside. Next up, we have the Volp. Horrible quality. Like, it's good quality. It's my beater, so. This was my second one, and I still think it has amazing. Third best sounding. The first is the Wing, second is the Impulse, and the third is the Volp. And for the best sounding balisong, ready? It sounds, Christ, this sounds so nice. But yeah, so that was basically all of the balisongs. I do have some more plastic ones, but they're not good quality. But yeah, if you liked the video, like, subscribe for more content, and see you next time.